So if you're watching this video, you're probably having this issue where your MOGRT file or your motion graphics template in Premiere is getting clipped or cropped when you try to move it around or when you try to scale it, like that. So I'm going to show you how I fix this. So I'm deleting that and just starting from scratch. Okay, here's my MOGRT file. I'm going to bring it into my timeline, and here, let's take a peek. I double click and yep, having the same issue. It's getting clipped and cropped when I want to change its location. So how do you fix this? Well, if you go over into your effects panel, you'll see that what I have selected is shape under the graphics section. And I don't want that. I actually need to be under video and select motion or position, scale, rotation, whatever you're trying to change. I think motion is the best option for me because I want to freehand it. So I'm just going to now double click and it moves. All I had to do was have the right thing selected in my effects panel. So now I can scale it up, scale it down without clipping. And that's it. I hope that this helped you guys.